it is me, Kali, and I'm back with another DokiDoki cosplay unboxing and review. This is one that I've actually been so excited for quite a bit of time now. So, if you guys don't know, I play Star Rail, Honkai Star Rail. I've been playing it since the day after it came out. I also stream it here on this channel. I ordered a March 7th cosplay. She's like a super cute, girly, ice type character. It was on pre-order for a while, so I didn't get I didn't have the cosplay for some time. I think it was 4 months, maybe 4 months. How massive this bag is, guys. It's the size of my torso. It is a pretty huge bag. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start off with the wig. I have my wig head right here. It's a little lighter than I think I expected. Alright, it's just about a normal cosplay wig. So whenever I buy a longer wig, I usually get it from Epic or Arta, but I'm just grabbing it. But because this is a shorter wig, I just got it from DokiDoki because I figured it wouldn't matter too much. It's like nothing out of the ordinary. This hairline is a little bit weird. I guess once it's styled, it's kind of like this. I'm not really a wig expert, but I did want to show you guys the wig and show you what it looked like. Let's slide this over and get to unboxing the main cosplay. This is a really big bag. One bubble wrapped package, this package, and then this really large one. So far, all of it is looking really exciting. This is so beautiful. I'm assuming this is a glove. Can we even call this a glove? An odd piece, but it's a glove. Can barely get my fingers in there and I have pretty small hands. That's a really tight glove. This looks really good though. Look at the craftsmanship quality of this. Please focus. This is the thing about shooting my own stuff, guys, is I can't operate the camera. Focus. There we go. Look at this. This is like a plastic right here, and then the actual fabric. I believe that this goes over her dress. Already, I'm really loving that this has snaps on it. No Velcro, nothing that's gonna stick or ruin the cosplay. No safety pins. These are really nicely stitched in. These details, it's probably not going to focus again, but this is stitched right here and right here. Oh my god, guys, I love this. So something that they did is they sewed the lining of this particular detail to it, and then they folded it inside out, and then they top stitched it down. So it's like so clean on the inside. And they did the same technique here. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Like, this is really high quality. That this piece goes here. So this must be everything that goes to the skirt. I really like that. It's nice and organized. It looks really nice. I'm gonna be honest. This white on the bottom is just the way the fabric is printed. And then this little clover or cross, this detail right here is actually vinyl. So this is just the, like, kind of like what you do from a cry cut machine. Like, it's just ironed on. Crystals around the bottom are all stitched on from the top and the bottom. Test the zipper. That's perfect. It's not like... So if you look here, You guys might not see these very often. I wish more cosplays actually use these. So you put this in here, and then you hold down this little top thing. It has an arrow on it. And you press it in. And what that does is it closes up the waist, but it also allows you to adjust the waist. So it allows for, like, whether you have an extra 2 or 3 inches or you have a tighter waist than the actual measurements, it'll hug your waist nicely. And I love that they thought of that, because, you know, everybody's body is just so different, and it's hard when you have sizes small, medium, and large to accommodate for the little discrepancies between small, medium, and large, you know? Don't know where this goes or what this is. From my several months of playing March, I'm gonna say that this is her garter. Seems like it would go higher up. I like that they thought of this so it's not slipping. But we'll double check and try on. I do really love this though. I'm really grateful that even though it's a small detail, DokiDoki, once again, I swear, I'm not even paid by them or anything, guys. I just really like them as somebody who sews a lot of their own cosplays. I really respect their level of care that they put into making these, because not enough companies do. Sewed both sides together and then fold it inside out. So once again, no serging, you just have this super beautiful clean edge. Next bag. We have all these little flowers with safety pins in them. They're really beautifully embroidered. Look at the glitter and the stitching. Isn't that so pretty? And then this has got to be some sort of hair thing. I have no clue where this goes, guys. I'm sorry, I don't know where these go. We'll figure it out and try on. And then this is another little detail. I'm assuming these go around the jacket. Look at how nice this fabric is. It's some sort of organza, and they also added something to stiffen these edges, so they're really stiff. Oh, we got a tag. This must be her top. Well, I mean, what else would it be if it wasn't her top? Let's see how they're doing this. I feel like I don't know her character design as well as I thought. Here on the inside, we actually have hidden buttons. So you're not gonna see the buttons, and that's like her top underneath. And then the jacket is actually held on, because hers is off the shoulder, by these little clear, can you see them? Like clear plastic straps. There's like a buttonhole for something. I'm pretty confused right now. They make guides for putting this on though, so it won't be so rough. Oh, I figured it out, guys. Okay, so, this is the middle of her top. Let's say it was buttoned together, right? You have these two lapels with these two little buttons. And then these two flaps hang down in the back. They are so, there's metal, or not metal, it's some sort of bendy plastic on the inside too. This color is also really nice, really clean. This is so worth the wait. I'm glad I waited this time. These are all done with like a nice rolled hem, so these are really lovely too. I'm really happy with that. The top overall really good quality. Once again, I'll let you know when I put it on. Oh my god, guys. I'm gonna zoom in on this. This is her camera. So I need my light on it. You guys see this? Look at how nice this is. It literally feels like a Barbie toy. Does that make sense to you guys if I say that? Like, it feels like something my Barbie would have had as a kid. So there's this clip on the back. It is screwed on. So this is not going anywhere. This is staying on. This is so sturdy. I could probably wear this like 50 times with no problems. The quality on this is just so insane. This is gorgeous. This is really something. This little acorn pin. She must have this on somewhere. It just must dangle off her cosplay somewhere. It has like a little clip. Once again, I really love these kinds of clips. There isn't a single like Velcro anywhere, and that makes me thrilled. All right, and then we have these, like, I don't even know how they made these. These are like straight up plastic. Like, I don't know where these go, guys. I have no clue where these go. We're just gonna have to try it on and see where everything goes. All right, we have now unpackaged everything, and I will try it on for you guys. I'm not gonna be trying on the wig because that's gonna take some time to style and cut the bangs too, but I do have no complaints about that. That's why I put it on the wig head. This is definitely gonna take me a while to get into. I have no clue where anything goes, but so far I am beyond impressed with the quality of things. I've thought about this. I think there's horsehair braid in here. Anyways, though, I am just like, I am so impressed. I think the last time I ordered something this big from DokiDoki was Kokomi, and it had a lot of troubles. I had a lot of trouble like fitting it. Like, I couldn't move my shoulders. So I'm kind of anxious. But the last couple things I got from DokiDoki, the last few, that's actually, the Kokomi thing was the only thing that's ever not fit me. Okay, I put on the cosplay and it fits perfect. Although I do have a few notes. They're not too severe though. Here is the bottom. I do think I could tighten it a little, but that's just me being really skeptical. This feels really good quality. Nothing feels like it's gonna fall down or anything. The bottom half fits me perfect. I actually have pretty wide hips too compared to the rest of me. My waist is 26 inches. Someone's car alarm just started off. My waist is 26 inches and my hips are 36 inches. So it's like, I'm pretty curvy, so it fits me fine. Here's the glove. It actually did start to tear. It fits my fingers like perfectly. I can't move them too much though. Maybe it'll stretch out with time, but I don't have too big of hands either, I don't think. I did pin this here. I don't know where some of this goes still. I'm assuming they're in the back. I'm actually gonna look at her in game and see where some of this goes. But besides that, this fits well. I do wish this tucked in better. I don't actually know how that's supposed to go. As for the top half, I'm pretty happy with it. You can't see the buttons. It was a little bit frustrating to put on alone because it was hard to like angle myself to grab the buttons. I also forgot to mention this thigh thing fits perfect. The one thing I did notice is that this neck piece is a little like, I don't know if it's supposed to go like, even if it went higher on my neck, there's still a lot of room. So I think I'm gonna shorten those on my own by just sewing them more down in here. But I did think that was kind of odd. Besides that though, this snaps over and then this buttons under and then the sleeves are on top of this. So yeah, and then here's the ear. I hope you guys enjoyed and or found this helpful. The sun is going down fast. It is almost 5 o'clock here, which means it gets dark. So I will see you guys in my next video next week on Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!